have come out, but likely to be upscaled using AI and kind of messed up the process. Frankly, at first glance, it sounds like it shouldn't be something very exciting. This is the first of the detailed looks of what will be the very first Google Books to come out. Yes, in case you have not been paying attention, Google announced a Google Book back in May. Not many people know whether it's meant to replace or complement Chromebooks, but given the enormous success of the Chromebook projects, especially in educational spaces, people should pay attention to it. Google Books are likely to run Google's long-anticipated Aluminium OS, not that everyone calls it that anymore, a custom Android-based OS meant for desktops users that specifically designed for Gemini Intelligence move from an operating system to an intelligent system. AI hype train aside, this promises to combine Android ecosystem with a fully functional Google Play Store plus deep cross integration with your Android phone with the Chrome browser and all the ChromeOS features. Circling back to the renders, ASUS and Lenovo are indeed amongst the hardware partners for this. The list includes Dell, Acer, and HP. You're likely to see these units in IFA as well. The two laptops look premium, especially by Chromebook standards. Particularly, this particular ASUS model is made of ultra ceramic light aluminum for the chassis, making 34% lighter and 13% stronger than the past. The ample selection of ports is appreciated: 3.5 mm audio jack, 2 USB Type-C ports, 2 USB Type-A ports, and full-size HDMI. Google did mention that each Google Book will have a glow bar as a statement, but it is both powerful and functional, meaning it's likely to be the Pixel Glow LEDs or highlight apparently coming to the Pixel 11 series. You can appreciate this as a signature and instantly recognizable design element. Less details known about the ASUS model. It looks very similar and does indeed feature a highlight feature. You can't help notice the exact same generous port selection as ASUS, leading to believe that Google may have enforced some requirements in the hardware department as well. So in IFA Berlin this year, you can see it out for the first time. Hope will be coming at a good pricing, but since the situation in the market is very bad for the chipset and all, it will not be a cheap device.